At UW-Stout, sustainability is important to us. Our goal is to reduce our campus's carbon footprint, and to do this, we need your help.
Thanks, Sarah. Cutting our waste through reducing, reusing, recycling, and composting is an essential part of reducing our footprint. You may have noticed our waste collection stations in all campus buildings.
These stations have 3 bins for sorting your waste: organics for compost, no-sort recycling, and trash for landfill.
We've even developed Administrative Procedure 047, appropriately entitled Waste Reduction on the UW-Stout campus. This procedure will ensure that our waste bins will be right next to our recycling bins and our compost bins. This procedure will help us reduce our overall landfilled waste. Now, why don't we dive into each of these waste streams?
We're actually the only UW system school that provides campus-wide organic waste collection. And we're proud of that. Every single time you place organic waste into our compost bins, you're helping to divert waste from the landfill and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Plus, this waste is broken down into compost, a natural fertilizer for plants.
So what can we compost at UW-Stout? All food waste: meat, cheese, eggs, bread, vegetables, fruits, chips. Seriously, all food waste. To-go containers and wrappers from food made by university dining? Absolutely. We even have Compost Me and compostable messaging on these products. Napkins, utensils, and straws, paper towels, even from campus restrooms, and even pizza boxes. When we started our composting program in 2011, we collected a total of 129,843 pounds of organics. Since that time, we have tripled our organics. That's around 300,000 pounds composted each year.
At UW-Stout, we have no-sort recycling, so you can recycle all of your recyclable materials in just one bin. You can recycle items like paper, office paper, newspaper, and junk mail, even envelopes with clear windows, plastics number 1, 2, and 5, beverage bottles, milk jugs, laundry detergent. Just check the bottom of the plastic to see which number it is. Glass of any color, aluminum, tin, steel, or other metals. Cardboard, including cardboard from frozen meals or soda can boxes. In 2013, we collected 80,000 pounds of recyclables. Now, we recycle more than 200,000 pounds each year.
We also offer other recycling programs for specialty items. You can recycle ink and toner cartridges. Send those to the surplus department through campus mail. Plastic bags and films. Place them in our specialty bins in the Memorial Student Center and Price Commons. Batteries. Batteries can be recycled in the MSC or with our surplus department. Personal books, DVDs, video games, or video game consoles. Drop these off to Corey Mitchell at room 308 in the library.
Wait, what goes in the trash bin? The answer is simple: anything that can't be composted or recycled.
And honestly, this isn't much. Items like gum, chip bags, candy wrappers, hygiene products, plastics 3, 4, 6, and 7, and facial tissues definitely need to be landfilled.
We've already done so much to reduce landfill waste.
Each year we compete in the Recycle Mania tournament, an 8-week waste reduction competition between universities in the US and Canada. In 2011, before we collected organics for compost campus-wide, we placed 171st of 288 schools. After introducing organics collection, we've regularly placed in the top 20 to top 40 in the competition. Each year, our campus produces more than 600,000 pounds of trash, much of which can be composted or recycled. We still have more trash than compost or recycling. Let's get to it.
Sometimes people put items into the compost or recycling bins that don't belong. This contaminates the bins, and when contamination is bad, we may have to send entire bags of recycling or compost to the landfill. So we ask that you get to know what can be composted or recycled to avoid contamination. And if you don't know which bin to use, place it in the trash. You can always ask us to learn the correct bin for next time. Take a picture of the item and email recycle@uwstout.edu or message us on Instagram or Facebook @Sustainable Stout. They'll let you know where the item goes.